Hi friends, I am Parinit. Today I will focus on classification of animals. Now classification is a way of organizing things in a group according to similar characteristics. Animal classification is important because it helps us identify and name all animals on earth. Depending on the presence or absence of backbone, animals are broadly classified into two categories, that are invertebrates and vertebrates. Now, invertebrates are the animals without backbone. Based on their different characteristics, the invertebrates are further divided into 8 groups called phyla. The first phyla is Porifera. They are mostly found in seas. They are very few occurred in fresh water. They are fixed to some body or to the bottom of ocean or sea. Body is porous, that is wearing many tiny pores to draw water into the body and one large pore to pass it out. The common example are sponge. The second phyla is Coelenterata. They are aquatic animals. They have sac-like body with only one opening, that is mouth. Mouth is surrounded by finger-like projections called tentacles for catching food and swimming. The body is radially symmetrical, that is, the body can be divided into two identical halves along any plane. Common examples are jellyfish and sea anemone. The third phyla is Platyhelminthes. The body is thin and flattened. They mostly live as parasites in the body of other animals. The common examples are tapeworm and liver fluke. The fourth phyla is Nematoda. The body is round and unsegmented except for a few. Most of them are minute organisms. They mostly live as parasites in the body of animals, including humans. The common examples are the roundworms in humans. The fifth phyla is Annelida. The body is composed of rings or segments. They have a soft, moist body wall through which they breathe. They have special organs for excretion called nephridia. The common examples are earthworm, leech. The sixth phyla is Arthropoda. The body is divided into three regions, that is, head, thorax, and abdomen. In most cases, the body is covered by a tough covering of chitin. The body has jointed legs. They are further divided into 4 classes called Crustacea, Myriapoda, Insecta, Arachnida. The first class of arthropoda is the Crustacea. The head and thorax are fused together, have many jointed legs. Common examples are crab, shrimps, lobsters, prawn, etc. The second class of arthropoda is Myriapoda. The body is divided into many segments, one or two pairs of legs on each segment. The common examples are the centipede and millipede. The third class of arthropoda is Insecta. They have 3 pairs of jointed legs, head bear a pair of antennae and mouth parts. The fourth class of arthropoda is Arachnida. Head and thorax are fused together, have 4 pairs of jointed legs, have no antenna. The common examples are spider, ticks, scorpion. The seventh phyla is Mollusca. They have soft body with a not segmented body enclosed in a hard shell. Move with the help of muscular foot. The common examples are snail, slug, pearl, oyster, octopus. The seventh phyla is Echinodermata. The body is rough and spiny, mainly live as marine, move with the help of tube feet. They have radially symmetrical bodies. The common examples are starfish, sea urchin. The second classification of animals is vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals with backbone. The vertebrates are classified into 5 groups called classes. The first class is Pisces. The main features are they are aquatic animals with a streamlined body, swim with the help of fins, body covered with scales, breathe through gills. The common examples are fishes. The second class of vertebrates is amphibia. The main characteristics are they can live in water as well as on land, lay their eggs in water, body covered by a slimy and slippery skin, and they breathe through lungs and skin. The common examples are frog and toad. The third class of vertebrates is the reptilia. The main characteristics are they are mostly live on land and some live in water too. The skin is dry and scaly. Breathe through lungs. Females lay soft shelled eggs on land. Have 4 short legs for crawling on land. The common examples are lizards, snakes, etc. The fourth class of vertebrates is class Aves. The main characteristics are the bird body is covered with feathers, have wings to fly, bones are hollow and light in weight, legs bear scales and toes, have claws. Jaws is provided with horny beak but have no teeth. Females lay hard-shelled eggs. The common examples are peacock, parrot, pigeon, bulbul, sparrow, kingfisher, etc. The fifth class of vertebrates is Mammalia. The main characteristics are the body is covered with hair, possesses projection external ears, give birth to young ones. Young ones suckle milk from mammary glands present in mothers. Usually have a tail and 4 limbs. The common examples are cow, dog, deer, camel, lion, tiger, elephant, rat, and humans. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and I hope this video helped you. Thank you.